Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Express Script app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So if you are an Android user, you should must use a Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, you should use a Apple Store. So here I will just go in the search bar, or you can directly go to store also. I will just search for the app. So as you can see here, the Express Script app. So I will just click on here. So from here we'll just go like this, click on the install button, and it will automatically download and install the app on your device. So by this way you can do it, and if you scroll down you can also rate this app and you can see the other ratings too. And if you want to contact the app support, you can contact from here, and if you have any problem. So this is how to download and install this app. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.